This guy is looking heavily. I put a piece of bait there, a little bonita strip. He don't want it. And there's some mullet, I think, on the edge of the canal here, and he's eyeballing that strong. Come on, dude, do some work here. I want to get you on film. Make a celebrity out of you. We got some baby Jack Crevalle. Oh, he's creeping. He's creeping. Look at that. Anybody know in the comments the exact species? I've always thought these were called night heron, but I don't know for sure. Maybe a gray heron. It's a really cool bird. Got some amazing markings on them. You're missing out, dude. You're passing it. Look at that bait on your foot. Come on, there it is.